Good morning, everyone. I'm going to go through some steps of how to submit your workout log with you and actually fill out a log and show you how easy it is to provide your proof and make this super simple for you. So you are going to locate the workout log. For my classes, it's in your first quarter folder always, and it would be under week 2. And then right here will be our first workout log. So we're going to click on this, and it is going to ask us to make a copy. Now, while I'm on this page, I want to show you something really quick. Over here it says submissions. Actually, you're going to come right here to submit your assignment after we're done with it. So we're going to click on make a copy. It's going to open up a new window. I do want to make a copy of my document. And then let's rename this because it's going to go into your Google Drive, and you don't want just a bunch of copy of things in your Google Drive. So we're going to say week 2 log because this is week 2, and I'm going to put my last name so that when I give it back to my teacher, she's going to know it's my week 2 fitness log. Okay, then we're going to go down here and we're going to fill out our workout log. So let's say that I did this workout yesterday, and let's say I did it after school yesterday. So I'm going to say that I did it Monday, September 14th. The length of my workout, I actually am going to use my app, and so the length of my workout I'm going to say is 18 minutes and 21 seconds. But remember, we want a 25 to 30 minute workout. Okay, that's just for your knowledge. Level of intensity. Once you click this link, it's going to open up a little activity chart, and I'm going to look on here and I'm going to decide what my level of activity was, and I'm going to say that I was moderate activity this day because I know that I was out of breath, but I could still talk because I was just going for a fitness walk. Okay, I'm going to say I was out of breath, but I could still I could still talk. I was good. Okay, pre-heart rate. Okay, I'm going to pretend like I took this. Since this was a really old workout, I don't remember what my actual heart rate was that morning. Okay, but I'm going to take it right here, or I'm going to look on my Apple Watch if you happen to have like an Apple Watch for a Fitbit. And I'm going to say that my pre-heart rate was 72. And I'm going to say that I stopped 10 minutes in, and it was at, and I can look actually on here, my heart rate was about 128. Okay. Then at the very end, when I'm cooling down, I'm going to say it was around 93 because I obviously can't take it, but you need to take it 3 different times. So on this day, I'm going to say I went for a fast walk around my neighborhood to get some exercise and to escape from my house because this was all during COVID. Okay, so that would be my explanation. Then you're going to come down here, and remember there's 2 different things that you can do for proof. You can either write out the FIT principles on a piece of paper. So I would grab a piece of paper and I would write FITT, frequency, and I would say, this was my first workout of the week. My intensity would match my moderate activity. Time, I did 18 minutes, 21 seconds. And the type was I did a fitness walk. So I would hold this up. I would ask my mom or dad or a guardian last night to take a picture with me. Smile, click. Okay, and that would be my proof. The second type of proof, which I'm going to actually provide today, is I used the app when I worked out. So it's a screenshot of my app. And what I did is I emailed that to myself. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to take this screenshot. Actually, I'm going to go to the first email that I sent myself because I need your screenshot to include your date, which this one does. So I'm going to copy my image and I'm going to come over here onto my workout log, and I'm going to use Control, hold down the Control and the V as in victory button, and that paste. Okay, so Control C is a shortcut, Control V is a shortcut to paste. Now this can't be my whole proof because this does give me the day and it does tell the distance as far as that I went, but it doesn't give me, I'm missing some information. So I needed to get the other half of my screenshot, which is what I did. Oops, I went to the same one. So I'm going to get the other one, and this one, well gosh, I'm just not doing very good. There it is. Okay, so now I'm going to copy this again, and I'm going to come to my workout log, and I am going to paste it right there. Okay, so now look, I have my whole workout log done. How easy was that? And you're thinking, I can't submit it. Remember, you have to go back to this page, and right here you're going to see the submit assignment button. So you're going to say, bam, submit assignment. And you can see on mine that I have 3 girls that have already submitted. Good job, ladies. So if you have any questions, be sure to ask your teacher. Okay, but hopefully this will help you guys with step-by-steps on how to do this. Okay, have a great workout, and we'll be looking at them. See you soon.